Hello everyone, welcome back to another video from Tech Basics. In this video, we are going to be learning how to delete Cabify account. To delete your Cabify account, the first thing to do is to launch open Cabify application from your app drawer. Soon after you launch open the app, make sure to sign into your account as well. From the main homepage of Cabify, tap on the human icon at the top left corner. Now, click on My Account from the options. Click on My Info on the next page and scroll all the way down until you see Delete My Account option and tap on it. After you proceed to delete your account, you will no longer be able to request journeys and you won't receive Cabify commercial communications. All of your personal data and users' data from the system will be deleted as well. Once you proceed to deletion, it will take 48 hours for your deletion request to be completed. To proceed, click on Contact an Agent. From the drop-down at the top, select an information you would like to delete. You can select between My Account or My Account and My Details. Enter why you would like to cancel your account in the next field. After you are done, you can also enter any attachments if you wish so that you can complete your account deletion process. And finally, tap on Send Message at the bottom. Now, you have successfully sent your account deletion request. You will now be contacted as soon as possible via the application and via the registered email for Cabify. And that way you will be able to schedule your Cabify account to deletion. Wait until 48 hours so that your account can be deleted completely. So that was how you can easily delete Cabify account in just a matter of minutes. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel by hitting the subscribe button. Press on the notification bell so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will be back again in the next episode. Thank you for watching.